Hello guys, so lately I've been making really bad videos and I don't really have any views or anything. So yeah, if you are watching this, thank you. But I am pretty bad at animating and I hope it's gonna stay that way because I like my way of animating. Point is, I don't know what the point is, I'm just making a video. Alright, so I know you might be like, "Oh, what are you saying? I don't get this video." You probably shouldn't get this video because I am going to basically do Google Drawings and yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So if you want to watch that, just yeah, keep watching this video. Yeah, thank you. Alright guys, here I am in Google Drawings, and I told you I'd be in here. So basically, I'm just gonna make some random thing in Google Drawings. First, let's make a banana. So I don't have that much experience here. What the elbow connector? Yes, curve connector. You just go like this. Oh no, this. Oh yeah, I can make the banana like this. That's not a banana. What the? No. How do you? No. I want a scribble. Yes. So I'm gonna make it be like this, right? And then I'm gonna make it be like this, be like this, and then be like this. Take my hand, I'll make it up. Oh yeah, that's my funny voice. Right here. Take my hand, we'll make it all the way. Yeah, I don't know. If you know what I'm saying, good for you. I'm gonna make a. So this is the banana. I'm gonna make eyes. So he has eyes you can see, because duh, you have to see. Bananas have to see. And make that, this could be the signature banana in a banana character, but I'm not gonna make it because this looks ugly. And also, all my drawings look ugly. So, yeah. So basically, signature banana characters have, this, and they're always dancing. That's what Banana Republicans always do. Always do banana dance. The signature banana dance. Is this? It's gonna take a while for me to do this. Um. Oh yeah, guys, you should probably drink Bodium instead of trying. Just to be honest. Bodium is love it. But yeah. So the feet also have to be connected, kind of like here, and here, and also have to be dancing. So just like that, just like that. Alright. So this is banana. Um. Let's make the BR. Uh, the flag isn't, the flag is kind of like a, well, pretty sure the flag is like, basically it's BR, but then it has like, two bananas across, so I'm pretty sure it goes like this. Yeah, maybe. Something like this, um, is this, it's across. Yeah, this sucks, I'll say, I'll probably make it, I'll make another better flag, I have no idea how to erase stuff in this, so really, yeah, I don't know. Let's just uh the BR. BR stands for Banana Republic. Um, I'm gonna make this guy say it. Yeah, this is pretty dumb. I don't know why I'm doing this, but it's now I'm gonna make the actual BR thing. So basically it's gonna be like one banana like this. Just a normal banana, but then another banana gets crossed into it to make Banana Republic flag. This is just a rough draft of it. what I mean. So yeah, this is basically you can just go around saying, "Hey, I have the Banana Republican flag, and I'm here to sell your house." Have you ever heard of a meme? So this is going to be a doll man title right here. Man sells house to pay rent. I know, right? Like, it takes me a minute to think about it when you're like, oh, that's so dumb. So the R flag, right there. So I'm just gonna make that. And that's a BR flag, guys. Yeah, yeah, real rough draft for that. Let's take that. Oh shoot, I got his leg. I got his leg. Let's not get his leg this time and just get the BR flag. What's video about to do? Let's make this guy one, so it's and one, so this one. But actually, I don't know what I'm doing. So yeah, that's basically the Banana Republic. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna want to make another video. I think this one's pretty short. Yeah, please subscribe. I mean, you don't have to subscribe. Just hopefully watch the whole video. Like, I don't care. Just please watch the whole video. But you don't have to. So, yeah, bye.